Solitaire Cash is a mobile solitaire game where players compete in skill-based contests, and the experience depends on gameplay performance rather than simply playing more often. By the end, you'll know how Solitaire Cash works, what to measure during a 90-day review, and how to decide if the app is worth your time. The first thing to understand is that Solitaire Cash is built around competitive matches. Your results can change based on how well you play, how familiar you are with the game, and which contests you choose. For a proper 90-day review, track your own experience instead of judging the app from a single session. Start by recording how often you play, how much time you spend, and what results you get from your matches. This shows whether the app fits your routine, or whether it takes more effort than expected. The second thing to review is your improvement over time. Solitaire requires quick decisions, planning and familiarity with the rules. A player who practices regularly may have a different experience from someone who only opens the app occasionally. Pay attention to whether your performance changes as you learn the game. If your results improve, the app may become more enjoyable because your skill affects your experience. The third thing to check is the contest system. Before entering a match, review the contest details, entry requirements, and available rewards. Understanding how each contest works helps you make better decisions and avoid joining matches that do not fit your comfort level. You should also review the reward process. Check how rewards are handled, what steps are required, and whether the overall experience feels simple and clear. After a 90-day test, compare the time you spent with the results you achieved. If you enjoy competitive solitaire and the experience matches what you expected, Solitaire Cash may be a good fit. If the app does not provide enough value for the time you spend, your tracking will make that clear. The main points are simple. Solitaire Cash is based on skill-based gameplay, your results depend on your performance, and a long-term review requires looking at your own experience. Your next step is to track your matches consistently, review your results, and decide based on your personal goals. If this review helped you understand Solitaire Cash better, like the video and subscribe for more app reviews and practical guides.